Alright everyone, here's your 101 Polar A360 watches. On the side has that little side button. That's like your home screen. Touch it, lights up, tells me I need to start moving. To get to the different screens, just a touch screen going up and down. The main one we are going to be working with is the training. For our cross-country skiing, we are going to simply use the running, even though we aren't actually running. Right now it's searching for my heart rate on the back, or the lasers that would indicate what my heart rate is. Somehow it's picking it up. I have fingers across it. Even that little bit will help. So I touch it. Now my workout has begun. You can see my heart rate currently is 51, 52, and the time is going. These different bars we're going to kind of talk about. The gray, blue, green, yellow, and red will indicate what the time of day, my calories I burn. Another one we're going to be working with for cross-country skiing is that miles for our distance. That's going to be some of the data we're going to be recording. And also kind of talk about what my pace is as well. Again, it's the focus of a run. In order to stop, I'm simply going to touch. Now it's paused. If I want to stop it, either I can hold the stop sign, or I'm going to hold the side, count down 3 seconds, and then it might ask me to save. For right now, we're going to hit the green check mark and save it. From here, it talks about my workout itself. My workout was only 43 seconds. Talks about my average heart rate, which is going to be something that we're going to indicate for cross-country skiing. Tells me my max as well, another thing we're going to be writing down. You can see the heart rate zones. On the top, working its way down, is the red, yellow, green, blue, and there it goes. So how to get it back? Good learning point. This is the other function. We need to go to the green My Day. Touch it. Now we'll see different workouts depending on when your class is going, so you need to make sure you pay attention to the time on top. This is the last workout that I just did, so it should be the first one there. I'm actually going to click on this one here. This is when I was cross-country skiing outside today. Again, it just brings me back to that same data that I was showing you. So when I was out there for one loop, 14 minutes, 9 seconds. My average heart rate was 138. I got up to 160. And again, this is going to be the data we're going to be recording. Here's those bars again. It's kind of tough to see with my light, but red is on top. I spent 0% in the red, 2% in the yellow, 76% in the green, 10% in the blue, and 2% in the gray. There it goes again. Getting back to the workout. And then it tells me how many calories I burned. Percent coming from fat. That's going to be something we're going to look at later on as well. It tells me my pace as far as my run went, even though I was skiing. And then again, distance. So all that data that I'm looking for you to copy down is all back on this page. Now what you can do is get your phone out, take screenshots of our different pages. That way, if you don't have the time to do it right away in class, which I'm guessing you won't have a lot of time to do, you can use your phone to take screenshots. Otherwise, you can write it down on a piece of paper. You can put in your Chromebook right away, but this data is going to be in there only for one day. So you could come back to enhancement. I know we have adjusted schedule. The other thing you can do is come after school to get this data. Anything else, make sure that you please ask questions relating to your heart rate watches. That is all for now.